wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again! Kids, today we wanted to give you a peek behind our scenes and show you that even we do some silly mistakes. But wait, who wrote that? I just want to make it clear that I never do any mistakes. All the mistakes are Noah and Olivia. You know, we call those bloopers. So let's laugh together and look at some of them.
Are you ready, Olivia?
I'm ready.
Okay, so on my count, 1, and by the way, we do it after 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then we go.
And then we go. Okay.
Okay.
Not 1, 2, go.
It's 1, 2, 3, and then hi, kids.
Okay.
You got it?
I got it.
Ready? Mm-hmm. We're done to first do the intro. Intro?
Yep. Hi, kids.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Good luck. Hi. Oh. Hi. Hi, kids. I don't remember the line. Hi, kids. From east. Nope.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to
Dream Again.
Why do I always have to say the welcome back on my own?
Because you have a better memory. Sometimes I get so excited about my name, I forget the next part.
Oh, yeah. Like all the time? Sometimes or all the time?
9 out of 10 times.
Okay. Ready?
Clearly not.
1, 2, 3. Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to...
I almost said a really bad word. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Take 1 deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Hi, kids! From A... Wait, that was horrible.
For you.
Yeah, for me. Ready?
Uh-huh.
1,
2,
3.
3.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
Let's do it again. Let's skip to the end. Okay.
Does my makeup look okay?
Oh, perfect.
Great.
Go for it.
Hi, kids. From A to Z, from east to west. I'm Olivia, and welcome back to Dream Again. Yay, yay, yay. Shh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shh. The crowd goes wild. It's amazing. It's incredible. It's incredible. Olivia is back, and she's back. She's back. She's ready. She's ready to give us another story time. Yeah. Yeah.
From east to west.
From A to Z. Wow, guys.
It's because you confused me the last time. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Let's do that
when I
again.
changed it all up. Okay, ready? You look great.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, kids! From east... Oh.
You just want my line so bad. Do you want it? You can have it.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west. Wow, you said my line too.
I did.
Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay.
1, 2,
2, 3.
Hi, kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Noah, and I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! A kettle?
Yeah, and you can call me Polly.
But your name's Olivia, Polly.
But today, maybe as Polly, I will put the kettle, maybe today, as Polly, I will.
Somebody help me!
Yep.
High five.
High five. High five. Yay.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay, kids, we're back again, and we just finished the design of our eggs.
And
So, oh, sorry.
no, that's perfect. And we're gonna show them to you guys. So, do you want to go first, Noah? Show your first egg.
Well, you go first.
Okay. So my first egg is green, and then I put flowers on it. Oh cool. Oh no. Ah.
Don't break him. From the beginning, from the top. See, that's why it's difficult working with you. You drop things all the time.
Do you see how much he makes fun of me? That's why it's difficult working with your brother. It's like working with the meanest person alive.
Okay, kids, we're back. Did you get all of your items and
Okay, kids, so we're back. Did you guys get all your...
make so many? But it's just really, really nice.
Yeah,
So-
I did a pretty simple one too. So this one is not so easy, is it? Maybe today as Polly I will... Making tea is hard.
That's why we don't do that in the music room. I've been trying to tell that to you for 3 minutes now.
I
but
know.
No. No, let's put the kettle on. Let me be Polly.
It was
What's
such
the
a
whole
great
point of this?
idea. Well, the song we're going to sing is called Polly Put the Kettle On, so
Why don't
I
we do
thought
that
I'd put
again?
the kettle on. You want to reslate?
No.
Okay. Mary had a little lamb, take one. You're welcome.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. We're doing our sing-along song.
Sing along song, sing along, sing, 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 sing. Woo! This
We're
piano
slipping
is
and
slipping.
sliding on our piano.
That's pretty cool.
It's pretty fun.
It's like we're in a rock
It's like
band. We're
breakdancing.
what? Woo!
Break dance.
Woo! Breakdance! I think, Noah,
Yeah,
I think your dance broke.
that's not funny.
It was kind of funny.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy. Father and I went to camp
along with Cap. Let's try that one again, yeah?
I don't know if I can do this.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
I got it wrong.
That's okay. Let's start again?
Yep.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Wait, hush, little baby.
Hush, little
Bit.
Hush, little baby,
Oh.
don't say a word. It's very even.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Okay, I got it now.
1, 2, 3. Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop. When the wind blows, the dream will fall.
And
What?
down comes the star.
We both sang it
dreams
wrong
and all.
together. We skipped the wind blows line.
Oh,
Yeah.
oops.
Oh. But at least we sang it wrong together.
Yeah.
Go team. Okay, ready?
I don't know if that should be celebrated.
I mean, it just could be worse. Do you know how many shapes it can form?
You're not allowed to ask me these questions. Medium level clouds are called alto stratus clouds.
Mid-level clouds. Middle.
But on my notes it says medium level clouds. What are you talking about?
Noah,
Yeah.
it's okay. Maybe there's 2 words for middle.
Middle cloud
And medium.
and mid level.
Yeah,
So it's 3 words.
3 words.
May
And those are only the ones we know.
May I now continue on so the kids understand what medium level clouds are?
Sure. Do you know why these organisms glow?
No. I can tell you though.
Do you know why these organisms glow?
No.
I think you do.
Am I supposed to say something? 1, 2.
I just really wanted to interrupt you one more time. You really do have a hard time understanding what trade means, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, it's weird. It's not a difficult concept.
1.
See, told you I'm a comedian. 2.
Oh
3.
my god.
Hi, kids! Noah, if you're not even gonna try.
1, 2, 3.
Hi! Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hi, kids!
Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Happy
Hi,
Halloween!
kids! That's what I was gonna do. 1, 2, 3. I'm ready.
That's a bit too close.
How about now?
It's bad breath. Ugh.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, brush your teeth. And the next science project, I'm gonna make gum for you to chew all the time.
That's a really great science project. I love gum.
Yeah, okay. So where were we?
Clouds. Come on, folks. We're trying to get stuff done today. Wait. I got something. I got a frog in my throat. Ooh, ooh. Can we talk about opera? Oh, oh. Some people can break glasses by singing really high. Okay, ready?
You're not some people.
I think that was meant to be rude.
Oh. Well, finally I get to do the show on my on my own.
Yep, go right ahead.
1, 2, 3. Hi, kid. Now I swallowed.
Are you gonna die?
Yeah, you probably want me to.
Just checking, just in case. Okay, are you ready?
Yep. Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! 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 And the crowd goes wild. Shh! Ah, ah, ah. And they're cheering, they're cheering. Who are they cheering for? No one knows. Who is it? Who is it? It's Mom! 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 They're cheering for Mom! Oh, I thought you were going to whisper something to me.
No, I'm just I'm just checking if you have a fever because
Oh.
you're a little bit gaga.
Well, I'm just really excited about
You're not
Mom.
Lady Gaga, but you're just a little bit gaga.
Oh, I'm Lady Gaga-ish.
How do you like my look?
Woo, you look like a biker. You're like super, super tough today.
Rockin' and rolling.
Yeah. How do you like my look? Da-na-na-na,
You look good too.
Thanks.
Actually,
Yeah.
surprisingly. But, do you want to play Play-Doh Creations? Shape Creations?
Yeah. That's why I came.
Okay.
That's the only reason I'm even hanging out with you right now.
What?
Well, you said something mean to me, so now I had to say something mean to you.
1, 2, 3. Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
We're doing Shape Creations
Shape creations!
with
Woo!
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh! Oh, play!
We tried this before
Yeah.
and we never get it. Play. And you're supposed to say dough.
Oh! In my mind, you were always just saying the word really slowly, and I didn't understand why you were making it such a slow word. Because I'm so excited, I just want to say it fast.
I start the sentence and you finish my sentence. And you obviously don't have a makeup artist.
I think I did, but they left. They didn't like my frizzy hair and my winning personality.
Winning personality?
Yeah.
What's your winning personality?
I don't know, I got an award at school that said happiest, so my personality won. Yep.
Oh my god.
Yep. Okay, are you ready?
Sometimes it can be very difficult working with your sister.
Try working with your brother. Sheesh.
Okay.
He's so difficult. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, kids!
From the moon to Earth.
From space to back. Wait, no. From outer space to Earth. What do I say? What did you say? You said from moon to Earth?
Yeah, from moon to Earth.
Okay, got it. I got it. I'm ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, kids, from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, today we wanted to give you I wish you a great That is a big word. I need to practice that one. I'll see you next time.
These are two-dimensional shapes, or flat plane Kids,
do you see what it is that I have here? It's a deck of cards. Oh no, the dog's barking. Shiva! She's protecting our set. Today I actually just wanted to teach you about card games, but... Kids, I'll be right back. I need to check in on Shiva. Who's walking across my set?
Oi.
Whoa! Kids, imagine being a Have you ever flown in an airplane? Do you know when the first airplane was invented? Or which is the fastest? No? Well, I guess it's time to start our lesson and learn everything there is about airplane. I was so good until the very end. Okay.
Okay, sit.
Let's see if Let me try that again. Hey! Who put my mistakes in him? I don't make any mistakes. That's not cool. And of course, we wish you all a Happy New Year. Bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!